Now for a flower you will make a very thin base, I'm just making it here because I need a small. Now this is a round petal, This is a round petal. I'm going to make a fan shaped petal for you. This is the pyramid which you get ideal to make a petal. Now I'm going to teach you how to make a fan shaped petal. Please flatten the plaster like this. Sorry. Now start picking the plaster to form a shape here. Now when you have this, from up you'll move down, from up you'll move down, from up you'll move down, from up you'll move down. So this is a fan shaped petal. So this is a fan shaped petal.